In this video, I'll show you how you can share your n8n account access to other people for generating workflow on your account. Suppose you have hired a developer to create workflow on your account, but you don't want to share your own password directly to that developer. So how can you share safely? So let's go. First of all, you have to click this three dot, then click settings, then click on users, then click on invite, then paste a paste an email of your targeted people. Suppose you wanna send this invite to a specific person. The person's mail will be here and role will be member. Then click on create invite link. After that, the invite link will be sent to that specific person. In this way, you can share safely your n8n account access. Thanks for watching.